You look perfect.
Thank you.
I can't wait to kiss you.
Cole, I can't believe we're here right now. You and I have been in each other's lives for over 3,000 days. And today that somehow feels like both an eternity and a blink of an eye. Loving you has been an adventure. We've grown up together. From the carefree days catching your eye from across the union training room and cheering on my favorite GSC freshman of the year, to learning how to navigate adulthood, growing in faith together, and dreaming of starting our family. I've seen you at your very best and at your absolute worst, and you have definitely seen the same of me. But looking back, I wouldn't give up a single moment. In loving you, I have learned more than I thought possible in this lifetime.
Oh my goodness. You look beautiful. I love you so much. I'm so proud of you. Alli, we made it. 2,811 days. That's how long it has been since our very first date in that small town in Tennessee. You've always been there to make me feel special and celebrate me. And when I was totally broken, you never lost hope and helped me put the pieces back together. When we first attended Watermark together, I had an experience in church that I had never felt before. I was completely overwhelmed with emotion. I truly felt the Holy Spirit in my heart. I completely broke down in tears, and from that moment I knew that you were who God was calling me to marry.
You are my safe place, the one I can trust, who knows me better than I know myself. You make me smile and laugh until my sides get sore. You are my greatest encourager and comforter. You push me to be the best version of myself and give me so much confidence in who I'm made to be. You are patient and give me grace when I need it, even if I don't deserve it. You show me the heart of Jesus day in and day out. Even before today, you have given me a picture of what it looks like to love your wife as Christ loved the church.
Alli, for the rest of our lives, I promise to always believe in Jesus. I promise to love you the way that Christ loves the church. I promise to put down my own way, my pride, my selfishness, to bring unity and oneness into our marriage. I promise to always try to make you laugh and bring a big smile to your face. I will always strive to be completely humble and gentle, be patient and bearing with you. I'm so overwhelmed with joy and excitement about our future together. I hope we can raise some incredible kids and create our own beautiful family one day. I hope we always find ways to serve others around us and truly be a light in their lives. I hope that we always choose love in everything that we do.
Cole, you may kiss your bride. I'm proud to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Cole Asfor.
I vow to be your soft place to land and your rock to lean on, to be as silly as possible so you always have a reason to laugh, to strive for patience and to put you and our marriage first, second only to my relationship with the Lord, to trust you first over others as well as over my own assumptions, and to push you to grow in your faith while seeking to strengthen mine as well, to be true to you and our family always, to raise our children knowing they are loved and cherished by their parents and their God, to choose to love you over and over again as long as I'm by God's grace and through the strength from His Spirit. This is my promise to you. I want to love you for the rest of my God-given days on this earth.